how to use Netflix picture-in-picture mode. Now, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can use this additional feature that Netflix has, which is going to be the PIP mode or picture-in-picture mode. Now, you can actually do this via your mobile device and as well as your browser. However, if you're going to be using an iPhone, it will not be available for ad-supported plans. So all I have to do first is, of course, go into the Netflix official site, maybe the client or maybe the application. Hit on sign in. Now you will not be able to see this feature if you're going to be digging deep into the Netflix settings. What you want to have to do is to play any video available on the Netflix subscription that you have. And then all you have to do is to click this option while you're currently streaming on that current video. And that is how you use Netflix picture-in-picture mode.